A ratcheting screwdriver saves time and effort with smooth directional control, quick bit changes, and improved torque for everyday repairs, DIY projects, and professional tasks, making it a versatile addition to the toolbox. The best ratcheting screwdriver ensures durability and precision. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT Rechargeable Ratcheting Screwdriver. The DEWALT Rechargeable Ratcheting Screwdriver stands out as a reliable option for both professionals and serious DIY users who need consistent power and precision in a compact form. Delivering up to 44 inch-pounds of powered torque and up to 124 inch-pounds manually, it handles a wide range of fastening applications with ease. The 360-degree RPM no-load speed ensures fast driving performance, making repetitive tasks much quicker and less tiring. Its integrated 2Ah battery provides impressive runtime, capable of driving hundreds of screws on a single charge, which is ideal for extended projects. The 6-stage torque adjustment adds versatility, allowing you to fine-tune power output depending on the task, while the soft start feature helps prevent stripping screws or damaging delicate materials. Bit changes are simple and secure thanks to the quick load collet, and the included 12-piece bit set adds immediate value. Overall, this tool combines cordless convenience, controlled power delivery, and durability. Number 2. WERA 7PC Ratcheting Screwdriver. The WERA 7PC ratcheting screwdriver is engineered for users who prioritize precision, durability, and ergonomic comfort. Featuring a fine-tooth ratcheting mechanism, it minimizes the return angle, which is especially useful when working in tight or confined spaces. The switchover ring allows smooth transitions between right, left, and locked positions, offering excellent control during different applications. With a maximum torque capacity of up to 50 Nm, this screwdriver is capable of handling demanding tasks without compromising performance. The hexagon blade, paired with a 1/4-inch hex chuck, ensures compatibility with a wide range of bits, while the strong permanent magnet keeps them securely in place during use. Its craft form handle is designed with a multi-component grip that enhances comfort and reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, and the anti-roll feature prevents it from slipping off surfaces. The integrated bit magazine adds convenience, keeping essential bits within easy reach. Number 3. MEGAPRO Square Ratcheting Screwdriver. The MEGAPRO Square Ratcheting Screwdriver is built for durability and high torque applications, making it a dependable tool for both professionals and home users. Its 28-tooth ratcheting mechanism delivers up to 225 inch-pounds of torque, providing strong performance for demanding fastening tasks. The ratcheting action is smooth and efficient, allowing for better control and reduced effort during repetitive use. One of its standout features is the palm saver cap, which enhances comfort and allows for increased pressure without causing hand strain, making it ideal for extended use. The handle features a rubber overmold design that ensures a secure and comfortable grip even in challenging conditions. This screwdriver is also backed by a lifetime warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its durability and long-term reliability. Additionally, purchases in certain regions contribute to MEGAPRO's Feed the People program, adding a social benefit to its value. Overall, it is a robust, high-performance tool that delivers comfort, strength, and reliability in one package. Number 4. Klein Impact Ratcheting Screwdriver. The Klein Impact Ratcheting Screwdriver is designed for versatility and heavy-duty applications, offering a comprehensive solution for users who need more than just a standard screwdriver. Its enhanced compatibility with the Klein KNECT system allows integration with various sockets and adapters, making it highly adaptable for different tasks. The set includes multiple SAE and metric socket sizes combined into color-coded units, which simplifies identification and speeds up workflow. The cushion grip handle provides comfort and control, ensuring a secure hold during demanding tasks, while the Quick Connect ratcheting mechanism enhances efficiency. This tool also includes a 1/4-inch square drive socket wrench and specialized adapters, expanding its functionality beyond traditional screwdriving. The impact-rated construction ensures durability under high-stress conditions, making it suitable for professional environments.
With its modular design and wide range of included components, this screwdriver offers excellent value for users who require flexibility, strength, and convenience in a single, well-organized kit. Number 5. Saker Cordless Ratcheting Screwdriver. The Saker Cordless Ratcheting Screwdriver is a compact and versatile tool tailored for precision tasks and electronics repair. Featuring a comprehensive 57-in-1 set, it includes 52 magnetic S2 steel bits in various types, making it suitable for devices like smartphones, laptops, watches, and more. Its adjustable torque system offers 3 electric levels ranging from 0.1 to 0.3 Newton meters, along with a manual mode up to 3 Newton meters, allowing users to handle both delicate and slightly tougher tasks with accuracy. The built-in OLED display provides real-time information on torque settings and battery status, adding a modern and practical touch. With a 500 mAh rechargeable battery and a stable 160 RPM motor, it delivers consistent performance for extended use. The integrated LED light improves visibility in tight or dimly lit spaces, enhancing precision during detailed work. Its magnetic storage case keeps all components neatly organized and portable. Overall, this screwdriver is an excellent choice for users who need precision, convenience, and a complete toolkit in a compact design.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.